So hello there. I'm about to show you how to upload the PDF books to Google Play Books. Google Play Books is an open source application provided by Google, of course, that you can access and you can upload your books there. You can buy books from the bookstores online, absolutely, and it's really easy to use. It's different than just view or read the PDFs, any PDF documents on, let's say, the VPS Office or Adobe Acrobat or Google Chrome. It's way more useful, and it looks like kind of digital book. I mean, really digital books, and you can mark your books as well. You can add comments as well. So we'll get through the steps or tutorials later, yeah. The first thing and foremost activity that you have to follow from these instructions is you have to make sure that you have downloaded the applications on Google Play Store or on Android or App Store on iPhone. And of course, you have to make sure that you have downloaded the documents, precisely the PDF documents from, you can download from internet or you can download from WhatsApp, for instance. In my case, it's from WhatsApp. Okay, and now we've come to the main activity or main tutorials on how to upload the PDF documents to Google Play Books. Yeah. By the way, I'm using my Xiaomi phone, but you can use any phones that you have, of course. First, you have to open the file managers and then make sure that you found the documents. In my case, I found my documents here. And the next activity is I choose one of them. For instance, I want to upload these books, Unlock 3 Reading and Writing.pdf. So I have to choose this. And I click More. I click Open in another app. Okay, wait for a moment and choose More and click or search for this one, Upload to Play Books. You click these icons here. Refresh. Probably it depends on the internet connections and also depends to the performance of your phone. Okay, so this arrow icon indicates that your PDF has been uploaded to Google Play Books, but unfortunately you still cannot manage to access the documents. So all you have to do next is just click this icon and just wait for the documents to be downloaded from the Google Play Books so that you can access your books offline. Next, and well, actually the last activity that you have to follow from these instructions is to make sure whether your document has been uploaded to the Google Play Books. So all you have to do is click this home icon and just don't forget to refresh. Okay, refresh the page and you'll see that if your document has been uploaded, it will appear right here. So I have uploaded several books. I'll click one of them. Just click the book, right? Okay, next you can see your books is now accessible. You can swipe left or swipe right. You can mark your book by tapping this top, on top of the books. You can unmark your book as well. You can, somehow you can also highlight your books if the author of the books give you permissions to make highlights, of course. Or you can also click on this, or probably this one. You can choose the viewing thing that you like. It's night light or the night mode, but I will choose the normal mode here. You can adjust the brightness. You can also zoom your books. You can tap to scroll. Tap to scroll is gonna be like this, guys. Yeah, this is tap to scroll. Okay. So anyway, you can do whatever you want from this book. Sometimes you can also make comments from your books, from certain pages, for instance. Unfortunately, the author of this book didn't give me access to give comments or to highlights or to take notes from this book. So yeah, I hope that you can follow these instructions very well. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.